Ling Long Jing Zhong Timu special. Yeah, my pal got some deliveries. Got goodies here. The box is a bit mangled. My dog got at it before me when it got posted. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
The 340 Touring's got some goodies. Intake for the math sensor. So it's got a bracket on it. What's that?
What I just opened the box with.
Oh, I was thinking, right, come in the box.
Thanks for whoever sent it to me. Left the screws in for me.
Happy days. It's a full kit. So what you got? You got that filter, agency power on that. Genuine and shit. What's this?
That's the cover thing, isn't it?
Oh yeah, this is the...
Oh, he even sent me a clamp.
Yeah, Lou, open that up. Let me get that on there. Camera. Oh, I got the silicone hose. What's it saying?
AP.
That's good though. It's got like 4-ply on there or something.
And you've got G,
And then this is
DT.
the AP, agency power. Other way around. This way.
Door.
Boost.
That's quite nice though.
Ready.
It's got the thing around so you don't cut your fingers.
That's what I'm saying. No sharp edges.
Whoop, whoop.
Agency power done a good job with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, the Touring that you guys have seen in the last video, he's getting some bits and bobs, some mods and that, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's get fitting it. I'll set up the camera. Let's go. That's what we're saying. The math sensor comes out first. You have to use a little flathead screwdriver or a pick, and she pops out easy. Airbox clips, 1, 2.
3 in the back here. One there, one in
There's
the back
4 in total, I think.
And you can find it. There.
Oh, look at that panel filter. Granddad spec.
Now we'll do this.
Fuck that. Oh shit, we've lost all the shit. Make sure you don't lose all that. So we got this piece of shit.
Got a rubber bung in it.
Piece of shit filter. What's that?
Rubber bungs, yeah? 1, 2.
Oh yeah. And yeah, oh, what you just tug?
Tug it
1, 2, 3 of them actually.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, if you can see, I think there's 1 there, 2 there, and then a 3rd one. Little rubber bungies and that. Keep them all together, keep all the stock parts in case you want to sell it on and say, one owner from new, never been molested. Oh shit. Next we've got this, what's that? That's the pipe down to the turbo, isn't it? So it's like the inlet. So I go straight down, one pipe. So yeah, what's that? Little 7mm down there as well. Right, so we pulled the pipe off. You didn't see us undo it because the way the Jubilee was facing, it was facing the radiator. So it was a sticky one. So we had to tuck in and get it off. Next. Oh, so that goes on to that. Yeah. I thought it was one pipe. Yeah, she's silicone. She's got to stretch her out, mate. Stretch her out. Slap on that old silicone.
It's nice.
And then one Jubilee goes over the top, hug the bottom of the silicone on. This time we're going to face it in a good way, not a fucking bad way.
Do her up nice and easy.
So if you get this agency power kit for your M140 or 340, whatever B58, the Jubilees you take off on the stock parts are 7mm, but on the agency power kit, the Jubilees are 8mm. Just bear it in mind, people, if you're looking to get the same kit. She's on snug as a bug. Good fitment, yeah? Or she's a good fitment? She's a size 10, 12 and that. Yeah, so there's a bung there. Is it 16mm? There's a bung there for the original airbox. You unscrew that. And I believe there'll be some sort of thread
and then you put this back on.
that you can then put, let me show you on the camera. This piece here. So she's stable, stays where you want her and that. Don't know if you can see. Zooming in a little bit. Mate, these turbos look so easy to take off. I'm so tempted to buy fucking turbo, manifolds, screamers. It's a bit of a tease, this motor.
Let's get an electric on her.
What are you going to do? Give her 94 foot-pounds of torque Don't round it off, that'll be another video. That was up to spec, that was manufacturer's spec.
It's on.
But yeah, no, now we're putting on the heat shield housing.
Stops the heat getting into the air filter basically.
Yeah, it's not a full box, but it does block the heat to some extent. Yeah, this is why it was a good idea that we bought the same intake that my M140's got, because we can go back and forth and check. Oh, it sits on top of it.
That goes in that hole.
She's got a hole there. She's got a hole. Just got to find it. Somewhere. The hole's always there somewhere, mate.
You wouldn't think I had 3 kids.
He said you wouldn't think he has 3 kids. He's struggling for the hole.
There you go. Push her
She's in. And what, that should slide down as well. I don't know if you guys can see.
And we can still use the OME fitment.
OEM. Oh, the OEM 16 goes straight on. Happy days. So it is OEM plus. Kit looks pretty easy to fit, really. I'm not knocking the mechanical skills of my pal, but I didn't have to do mine. I bought my car stage 2, so it had like intake, downpipe already on. Yeah, check her in a couple of weeks, see if she's still tight. Yeah, it comes with a nut and bolt, but it's the top one. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, here, point to it, Lou. Show them. So there, that bolt goes on, and then you just run the nut and bolt through it. Obviously you got to tighten it up, and then that whole housing that you see, which goes around the intake pipe, has a proper structure and, do you know what I mean, bolted down.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
Do you know what, I'm not going to lie, when I bought the M140, I didn't even know who Agency Power was, so I was sceptical, you know, when the seller said, yeah, it's got Agency Power intake. I thought, it's got some Ling Long, Jing Zhong, Temu special intake, but mate, this intake looks decent. I'm not even going to lie.
Yeah. Quite impressed.
She's only good if she whooshes at the end, you know what I mean? If there's no whoosh, she's getting returned. Difference is on my one over here, let me just move the camera. I put an oversized filter on it. I thought it'd have more air going in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the cone filter literally slides on. I think that's it, Louis, don't go on that far. I think I remember on my one. And it's a case of doing up, that's an 8 surely again, isn't it? Yeah, the whole kit has 8. The whole kit has 8mm Jubilee clamps. I think that's it, isn't it? Oh yeah, you got to put the mass flow air meter. Yeah, airflow meter. I'll just call it airflow meter. What, T10? Don't let that bolt drop down, otherwise it goes in the turbo, and then that will be another video of a 340 having a blown turbo. We don't want an excuse to get a pure 900 just yet. So yeah, the 2 T10 bolts come out nice and easy. We do things professionally over here. As you can tell, we ain't got a garage, we ain't got a ramp. On the streets. Mexico mechanics, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're not recording nothing, guys. He's just taking the bolts off the stock air box with his fingers. Because his fingers have got 85,000 Newton meters in them. Because he's a mechanic from Mexico. Here we're showing you where the MAF sensor is in the original airbox. As you can pull it out and it slots the same way into the air intake pipe. You can do them up with the T10 screws that come with the kit. And then just plug in the MAF sensor and that's it. And then here we're just putting the original screws back into the original airbox so you can store it if you ever want to fit the airbox again. And that's all. It's complete. That's how you fit the intake. If you like the video and find it informative, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Take care.